Hey, it's Krusty here at Twin Motors, showing off one of the features here that's pretty common on a lot of these newer vehicles. It's going to be this memory seat setting. So what this means here is that you can set up your seat settings, your steering wheel settings if you have power seats. It also sets your profile if you have the Uconnect 5 system. So what you need to do is you need to set your seat exactly how you like it. You go down here, you move this around here. If you have the power adjustable steering wheels, you can set that up as well. Power pedals as well would be included. And then it's very easy. All you have to do is hold down this S button for about 5 seconds, and then press a number you'd like to save, and you can see right there it'll say memory profile set. So then what that does is, as somebody moves this and gets it where you don't want it to be, if there's multiple people driving the vehicles, they can get your seat out of position, and then all you need to do is press number 1, and as you can see, the steering wheel, the seat, they move right back where you need them to be. Super easy. A feature that I think a lot of people have, and sometimes I don't know how to use it. Hopefully that helps. Thanks for watching. Bye.